Starting a dropshipping business as a beginner is possible, and in today's video I'll show you how. In order to get every step right, make sure to follow me till the end of this video. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. So with that said, I'm going to proceed right away with the very first step that you need to complete whenever you start doing dropshipping. So you need to find the winning product, and in order to find the best product out there that you know that is going to sell and that people love, you can just go over to this platform called Niche Scraper. This is over at nichescraper.com. Of course, you can just explore it a little bit, and you can even use another strategy if you want to by just going over to TikTok, and you can search for TikTok made me buy it. It's going to show you a lot of products that are viral for the moment. You're going to notice that these videos are viral itself, so it's very awesome actually to see what people are liking, and you can just sell one of these products, for example. And another way that you can use TikTok in order to find the best products, the winning products, you can just go over to TikTok Creative Center, and you can just scroll a little bit down to find the top performing ads on TikTok. Click on view more, and it's going to take you over to this page where you can explore top ads on TikTok. Of course, you can even put the country here as a filter, the industry that you want your product to be in, and some other things as well. And you're going to notice here the best products that are trending right now on TikTok. Click on view more to see all of them, and then you can decide which product you want to go for. So once you find the winning product, of course you need to find the supplier that sells that product, and I highly recommend that you go over to alibaba.com. Since you're going to find the best prices over here, you just need to click on ready to ship, and after that you can even see here some well-reviewed product as well. You can just search for the product that you want to sell in the search bar, and then just find a supplier. And I want to show you that if you click in one of these products, for example, the supplier is going to be here on the right hand side. You're going to even see some of their features. You need to find, for example, a verified supplier. You need to see the store rating, the on-time delivery rate, and so on. And after that you can contact them in order to just start drop shipping. Of course, you need to create a Shopify store for the third step, and in order to do that, go over to shopify.com. So let me remind you something else that I forgot. You can even go over to other drop shipping stores just like Spokit.co and even Zendrop.com. You can use these websites if you want to find the best drop shippers, of course, and it depends on you on which you want to go for. Also, you can find the one that works best for you. You can even see the features that they offer and then decide. So with that said, let's now proceed to creating a Shopify store. You can go over to shopify.com. For now, you can also see that they offer a 3 days free trial, which is pretty awesome since no credit card is required. You can just give it a try. You can create your Shopify store, and make sure that you create one that looks like a real brand, so you can make it simple, but at the same time you want to make it look like a real brand so people can see that it is legitimate. Then just go over to the pricing plan to even check out their pricing plans. For example, you can go over for the most popular, which is $24 per month, and then you can try it for free. So you can try for free any one of them, just like I said even before. They offer the free trial for 3 days and no credit card is required. So of course, once you find the winning product, then find the suppliers and create your Shopify store, you're going to list the product over there, and you need to just start advertising your store and promote your products. And there are some ways that you can do that. First of all, like you can run ads through Pinterest, Instagram, even through TikTok or Facebook ads, for example. Then you can even do another thing as well, which is influencer marketing. What you're basically going to do is to give an affiliate link to your store, to one of these influencers. And in order to create your affiliate links, you can go over to this platform called gofpro.com. You can just give it a try. Then you're going to find some influencers on Instagram, for example, even on TikTok, so they can promote your product. And you're going to just give them your affiliate link. Whenever someone purchases your product through that link, you're going to give a commission to that person, which is pretty awesome. But of course, you need to get started for free at the first time, so you can just get some profit from your store, and then you can do this and even pay someone to do influencer marketing for you. In order to find these influencers, you can just go over to TikTok. There are a lot of people that are doing this right now, and you can even find their contacts. You can just contact them through their email address, for example, and you can say that you can say that you want to work with them, and if they accept, of course, you're going to give your affiliate link of the store to them so they can have their own one, and they can start promoting your store or even a product that you are going to sell, and you can get the most sales, and you're going to give them a commission. So if you want to start for free, you can do that. You can create an account for free on Instagram, also on Pinterest, and even on TikTok, and then you're going to start create your own content and hope for the best that you're going to go viral and get a lot of followers, and therefore a lot of people that can buy something on your store. So what you're going to basically do is to start creating content with that product. For example, you can just purchase that product on your own, and after that you're going to just create some videos with it. You can even go over to TikTok and see what other creators are doing. So there are some viral videos out there, and you can recreate some of these videos with your own product and post them over to TikTok, but even on Instagram Reels, for example, on Pinterest and so on. You need to create like a business account here on Pinterest in order to even post videos, and it's very simple to do. So of course you can just start posting every single day. You need to create high quality content so you can find the most people that can follow you. Of course you can just go 1,000 followers in order to be able to start putting links on the bio here on TikTok. So once you reach 1,000 followers, you'll be able to post a link in bio. So I highly recommend that you stay consistent over here, start posting every single day in order to find the most people to follow you. And of course you need to hope for the best that one of those videos is going to go viral, so make sure to create high quality content. So you can even go over to Canva if you want, when you can search for TikTok videos in the search bar. Canva is free to use. They also offer a pro plan as well, but you can even go for the free one and you can start creating some TikTok videos just like these ones. You're going to notice that they look pretty awesome. You can even put like a photo of your product here just like this one and create this kind of videos. So you can even create them from scratch if you want to. They also give you a lot of elements, and you can even customize these already made templates, which is pretty awesome. Then you can just start posting them on TikTok. Use the right hashtags is very important. You can start writing, for example, TikTok made me buy it, Amazon finds, and so on. Just see what other people are putting as hashtags on their videos as well, on these viral videos, so you can implement the same thing. And of course, as I said even before, you need to stay consistent. And of course you need to even put some time and dedication into this to get the desired results. I highly recommend that you start even with Instagram and Pinterest, since you can even put your link in the bio here on Instagram once you create your account, and after that you can even post some videos or even photos, reels, and so on, stories, and people can just go over to the link in your bio. They can purchase something from your store so you can get your earnings. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Eden World. Thank you for watching.